Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Bron.
And welcome to our channel, Swimming Pugs. So today we are making Sago Pudding. Yeah, fish eggs. I've heard people call it fish eggs.
It's translated frog's eyes.
No, it's literally this bag of stuff called Sago. I paid 25 rand for it at like the cafe around like the corner from my house, so I think it will be even cheaper if you go to certain places. But it's just, we'll give you guys a close up. It's actually like these white tiny balls that when it heats up, it expands into like these bigger translucent ones.
I'm not sure how to describe it, but yeah, you'll see when we actually make it.
But it tastes good. So let's do this. So this is how the sago looks. It's literally like super tiny balls. And once again, 25 rand, so there you go. And also worth mentioning, the recipe is literally on the back of the bag.
I think that's the only use we have for this.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah, if you know about other uses for sago, like, let us know, we're curious.
Okay, so you'll need the following: sugar, salt, some margarine, eggs, milk, apricot jam, cinnamon, vanilla essence, and obviously sago. And that's about it.
You'll literally find the amounts on the back of the bag, so we're not going to be too specific.
Yeah, I'll leave it in the comments like normal.
Okay, so the first step is to add 1 liter of milk to a pot and heat it until it's like at a boil. You can add a cinnamon stick to this to make it a bit more potent, but I am not doing that. I think we've learned our lesson.
Yeah, look at the Harry Potter video, for example. Okay, so now it's time to add our sago to our milk. This is 250 grams. So add this. And this you're going to stir for about 20 minutes to let it see through. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt also. What's that, 5 milliliters?
5 milliliters of salt as well.
5 grams. Yeah, so I'm going to stir this for
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
We'll see you guys on the other side. Okay guys, so we think this is what it should look like. I've never actually made it. Eaten it a lot, but never made it. So,
It's like sloppy mealy pop.
yeah. So, okay, on to the next step.
Okay, so I turned off the stove, so we're gonna add some sugar and butter to our mix.
This is 75 milliliters of sugar and butter. Naturally, everything is being judged by the eye, so nothing's going to be right, but still. Okay, so next thing is we're going to add the 4 eggs and stir vigorously so that it doesn't cook. That means faster. And then lastly, 5 milliliters of vanilla essence.
Essence.
Okay, so we prepared our oven dish by putting in non-stick spray, and we're literally gonna throw in everything. Just hear that delicious noises.
Blow some shot.
Yeah. It's actually pretty interesting to see these things like before you eat it, like Brian said earlier. Okay, so we're just preheating the oven because, you know, we didn't do this before we actually started. It needs to be on 160 degrees. And yeah, we're gonna pop that in there now and wait 45 minutes. So we'll show you what it looks like when it's cooked. Okay guys, so it is done. I threw a little bit of cinnamon over, but you can throw nutmeg over as well. And I'm just gonna spoon some of the apricot jam over. And just basically let it soak in, I think. Like I said, I've never made this, but I'm assuming that's how it works. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. It's very soft still. It smells and looks like milk tart, but it's not.
It's like milk tart.
And we're not gonna taste this one this time because we actually made this for a bride. So we'll leave it to everyone else to judge. If they say it's horrible, we won't load a video, you know. Okay guys, we hope you enjoyed that one.
Yeah, we're like always I did. It's pudding, so I can't complain.
Yeah, my dad like already requested like we can't eat everything, we need to keep some aside for him.
Yeah, because we're going to hold a separate ride. He's not going to be here, so
yeah. He was very upset when he found out we're making sago and he's not here for it.
So we need to put some aside for him in his ice cream holder.
Yeah, yeah, Tupperware, South African style. Where's the flora? But yeah, it was pretty easy to make. It takes time, so don't do it like 5 minutes before everyone comes. Yeah.
At least an hour and a half before your guest arrives.
Yeah, make 2 hours to be safe. But literally had to like start making potato salad like halfway through. But yeah, we didn't like taste this one because we know how it tastes. Like you can't really mess up a recipe too much, you know, like
it's pretty straightforward.
So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed it. If you find it somewhere, make it. It's worth it. If you haven't had it before, like you're in a different country, like import this stuff if you don't sell it there.
Yeah, and also remember to like and subscribe, guys. It means a lot to us. Channel is growing a little bit, little by little, every week or every month.
we appreciate you guys as always. Like Brian replies to all the comments, and then I read it like a week afterwards, and I'm like either offended or happy. There's always someone saying my car's dirty.
Yeah.
I wash it, and then it rains. I park outside. Okay. But yeah, thank